This is the landing page for Jade Infra Hydro CMMS. To begin, enter your credentials and click Login. After logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can access different modules of the system. Now scroll down and navigate to the Log Management section located at the bottom of the menu. First, click on Log Format to create a new KPI form. Then click on Create New Template. Enter the form name and provide a short description for the form. Below that, in the Form Layout section, start defining the parameters of your form. In the first column, enter the title, which represents the parameter name of the form. In the second column, select the input type, such as number or decimal, depending on the type of value that will be entered. If required, you can also add validation rules to control the allowed input values. In the third column, enter the degree or unit associated with that parameter. If you want to add more parameters, simply click Add Row and repeat the same process for additional fields. Once all parameters are defined, click Save to store the template. Next, navigate to the System Logs page to enter a new system log. Start by selecting the asset whose data needs to be submitted. Then select the corresponding KPI form. An Excel-like sheet will appear below for data entry. If you are entering past records, select the appropriate date. Otherwise, you can keep the current date. You can enter the data manually or copy and paste it from another Excel sheet. After filling in the values, carefully double-check the data and then click Submit. Finally, go to the Log History page to view previously submitted logs. Here, you can apply filters based on assets, KPI forms, and dates to find specific records. If needed, you can also click Download to export the logs for further analysis. And that's how you create KPI templates, submit system logs, and manage log history in Jade Infra Hydro CMMS.